Hey, what's up everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is going to be a unboxing video of a 1/43 scale VOLVO S80 that I ordered directly from Germany. For whatever reason, they don't seem to come up for sale very often here in the United States. So I had to look abroad, and this one was $39 or something like that with free shipping. We'll go ahead here and get cracking with it. We'll open it up and we'll see what it's like. It is 1/43 scale. Sorry to disappoint you 1/64 scale guys. And I ordered the generation VOLVO S80 like I own now, which is I own a 2010 S80 V8. This, I don't think they tell you. Let me grab my trash can. I don't think they tell you exactly what this is supposed to be, but it's the same color my car is, which is a white metallic pearl. And I think they just listed as like a 2008, which essentially this body started in 2007 though, as far as I know. We'll go ahead here and get this stuff out of the way. Well, it looks like it might have been open before. It's not supposed to be, I don't think, but doesn't look too bad. But here's the box. It's Motorart brand. I like the wood grain or whatever this is supposed to be. Looks pretty cool in the packaging. I like the way the cutout is pretty nice. But this looks like it's been opened before. Maybe I'm wrong on that. It's okay. We'll find out here. They feel crisp. Let me grab my tongue depressor. This is how I like to open up all my boxes that I want to try to keep in relatively decent shape. Is I'll grab something flat that's like a tongue depressor to open the box up without damaging the flaps, just because I'm anal like that, I guess. If I could just peel that tape off the rest of the way, since it looks like it was already half peeled off. Doesn't appear to me though that it's ever been open. Someone just might have just done a crappy job of taping it there. Now if I can get it out of the box. Somewhere I had read online, obviously these are says made in China. I mean, this is Motorart. Somewhere I read that these were made by Norev, or at the same plant as Norev. Here it says part of Brandon Company AB Switzerland, or imported by Motorart, part of Brandon whatever. I don't know. Somewhere I read online that these are made by Norev. That wouldn't really surprise me. I think a lot of these factories crank out a lot of the vehicles that you just don't, you think you're buying this brand or that brand, and it's really they're all made by Norev or whoever. Nice, fairly nice thick case. Back of the box did say 2009 on it that I saw. Like I said though, I believe it's supposed to be a 2007 through 2010 version. Yeah, this doesn't say doesn't say V8 on the back. It does have the letters spaced out on the trunk like my 2010, and it's this is the pearl white with black interior with the darker wood grain. Let me take it off the base and we'll do a spin around on it, and should be pretty fun. I'll be right back. Alright, we'll go ahead here and shut her down and take a closer look here at this. My initial impressions are it looks pretty darn good for the money. I don't think I'd want to pay much more than what I did, but since it had the free shipping from Germany for the $39.95, I think that's a pretty pretty darn good deal considering what mini champs go for, and some of the other 1/43rd scale cars that can be pretty pricey. This does have the 18-inch wheels on. I forget, they're Belarus or something like that they were called. They were like a darker gray with cuts on the edges. My car does not have that. I like those wheels personally, the dark gray anthracite colored wheels with the pearl white. I kind of wish my car had those wheels, but mine does have 18-inch wheels on it, but not the 7 spokes. I think mine are like 20-spoked wheels. This appears to be like it's supposed to be the executive edition. Don't know where my pointer is. Where's my pointer? Let's see if we can find it. This appears to be the executive package. It has the chrome trim here on the underneath the doors, chrome trim in the front around your fog lamps and all that, and it doesn't have the S80 crown badges back here on the C-pillars. My car has that, and it is the executive package. So I'm not sure if this is supposed to be like a kind of like a in between. It does look like it has the active headlamps. Looks like it has the Xeon or HID headlamps. So it's pretty close to my car trim wise, it looks like, which is a cool thing. They have like a flat black painted for the B pillars and back here and some of the trim. Now they do have like the silver trim up top on the edging of the windows. Mine is chrome up there and chrome down here. This looks like they just use silver paint. And instead of flat black, which just doesn't even look satin, it looks flat black to me. Mine is like the piano black, really shiny black. But I mean, it's a pretty good rendition, I would say. It has the exhaust. I got rid of that and went with the dual tips on mine, but has the yep, there's the Ford Focus, I think is what they were. The Ford manufactured mufflers, and you can get a good shot of the underneath. It's not bad. I mean, it's really not too shabby. It does appear to have photo etched metal rotors. The only thing that's kind of cheesy, as you can see right there, is the calipers are turning with the rotors and wheels. That's kind of cheesy. Probably could be fixed, maybe. I don't know how they're pressed together, but it looks kind of, might just be shiny chrome plastic. It's hard to tell. When I first opened up the box, I thought for sure they were metal, but now that I'm looking at it, it might be just chrome plastic. The interior in this lighting here looks like it's supposed to be black, but it looks almost like a dark gray. I will try to zoom up here best I can. There we can kind of get a shot of the interior. This is a static model, so you really can't open the doors or anything, but it's pretty darn detailed. It looks like the interior looks really nice. We got the walnut colored wood. It's not the real light colored. This does look like it has the higher end steering wheel from the executive model. It's not bad. Not bad at all. The paint job, in this light we can kind of get an idea of the paint job, and it doesn't look bad. Try to get my ugly hands out of the way, but maybe zoom out a little bit here. Windows look really clear. How's the mirrors look? The mirrors could be, the mirror glass could be a little bit better than just plain silver paint, I think. I'll probably take some foil tape and put on those. That's an easy, quick modification. But overall, I'm really pleased with it. You guys have to let me know what you think. I like it. Now, it doesn't have any kind of V8 badging or anything on the front grille, which of course my car, the 2010, they did away with that. The earlier ones, they had a V8 badge right here in the in the corner, which I want to probably make my own using the V8 lettering I took off the back, and make my own sometime to put on the front grille. But I love those Belarus, I think is how you pronounce those wheels. I think they're great, the wheels on it. It seems to roll really nice. I just wish the rotors would stay put. What's the tail lights look like? It's kind of hard to see. My eyes aren't as good as they used to be, but they don't look too bad. I'm pleased with it. I'm pretty happy. And this was a eBay purchase. I'm not sure if I said that or not earlier. So there you go. Quick little review of a Motorart 1/43rd scale. 2008, we'll just say. I don't know. 2008 through 2010, or 2007 through 2010. Volvo S80. I believe this is supposed to be an executive model, even though it doesn't have the crown badging on the back. And it is in the metallic white pearl. Looks really, really cool. And looks like a miniature of my car. Pretty awesome. So thanks for checking it out. If you like this type of video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and share, like, all that good stuff, and be sure to subscribe. And if you're not a subscriber, hit the bell for notifications. And I will see you guys later. All right, see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye now.